Hi, I'm Kevin with Baxter Performance, and today I'm going to show you the EVAC-U-FILTER. We have this coming out pretty soon, so this is just a little bit of a tease showing you how this thing works. Real thin profile, has a Schrader valve on it, mounts permanently on the engine between the oil filter mount and the oil filter. Let's take a look and see how that thing works, okay? So this is the big mess it makes on a 5.7 liter Hemi on a Ram 1500 truck. And we've mounted it on the engine and we're hitting it with a little air here with normal air chuck, just like you would use on your tire valve, right? So I'm going to give it a couple bursts of air here and go ahead and reach up in there and grab the oil filter. Now this really tight fit up in here, and this is problematic with the Ram 1500 truck with this engine installed on it, so it's hard to get to, hard to maneuver. But as you can see, we got a nice clean oil filter removal. Nothing's coming out, and we're good to go. And maybe for a little bit more clarity here, we're going to show you the fitment on a Honda 3.5 liter V6, and we're charging it with an air chuck, just like you would your tire. And we give it a little burst of air here, and we wait a second. You can actually hear it in the background. You can hear the oil evacuating and everything, although we don't have audio on this. But yeah, nice clean oil filter removal. So a clean green solution to a long-term problem. Nicely done. Check us out. We're at BaxterPerformanceUSA.com.